Good morning, traders. A couple of days late here getting this video out. I wanted to get it out on Sunday night, but a few things happened that prevented me from doing it. But here we go. If you watch the Trend is Your Friend video that I did a couple of weeks ago, this is just basically showing you the type of gains you could have made if you would have followed the Trend is Your Friend. And I think, I'm going to try to do this every week. Try to give an update as to the Trend is Your Friend scorecard, if you will. And so basically what I did is the first week the trend started in each of these major currencies you see listed here, I took the middle of the range, middle of the week. I've said before, nobody always buys at the low for the week and sells for the top or for the day for that matter. So I just took it in the middle. And at the end of this week, I also put it in the middle there again to give it somewhat of a real fair price range to give you an idea of what you could have done. So looking at the first one here, the Euro US dollar, it's been in a downtrend for 8 weeks in a row. And 8 weeks ago, when you identified the downtrend, if you would have sold the contract, 8 weeks later, you'd have gained 326 pips. That's a real good return in 8 weeks. If depending on your lot size, if you were trading a one lot, that's $10 a pip. That would be over a $3,200 win in 8 weeks. Real good. The U.S. Canadian has been in a 7-week trend for 420 pips. The U.S. Japanese yen has been 4 weeks, only 28 pips. It's kind of moved down kind of slow. But anyway, 28 pips is better than losing money. And the Australian U.S. dollar has been 11-week trend for 355 pips. So as you can see that, the U.S. Canadian and the Euro U.S., 7 and 8 weeks respectively, pretty well almost the same time length. And the Canadian dollar is a little more volatile, so it's a bigger gain of 420 pips. So that kind of gives you an idea of, if you just follow the trend, and this is kind of identify the trend, put a trade on, and let it play out. This is kind of slow and boring to watch it go down, but as long as you're making money, that can never be slow or never be boring. So until the next one, keep trading with the trend.